Hey, hi guys, now we are just going to start. The next thing is fully about mathematics, especially in the last thing I just told about little bit of mathematics thing and how the mathematics work and a little bit of extra things I also told at the moment. So in this chapter we are going to continue the mathematics. So without wasting time, it means let us get started. So for the next 1 hour I am just going to talk about the mathematics. So means the basic thing and the before thing I just explained to you. So let us not waste time and we can just continue. So it means mathematics you can traces sum of eigenvalue. Yes, definitely mathematics that traces sum of eigenvalue and determinant is a product of eigenvalue. Okay, and if lambda equal to 0 is an eigenvalue, then definitely determinant of A will be equal to 0. Okay, eigenvalue of upper triangular matrix and lower triangular and diagonal matrix are main diagonal element. Okay, so next thing you can see if the matrix Aij n into n where Aij equal to 1, all the values Aij, then the eigenvalue of the matrix is n 0, 0, 0. Okay, n is the order of matrix. Okay, so you can see if the order is same, it means 1, 1, everything is 1 number. So you can see n equal to 2, 0. So lambda 1 or lambda 2. Okay, so next thing you can see it means eigenvalue which support this one. So lambda equal to n 0, 0, 0. So you can see here n is equal to 3. So lambda value is lambda 1 equal to 3, lambda 2 equal to 2, 0 and lambda 3 equal to 0. Okay, same goes for 4. Okay, eigenvectors corresponding to distant eigenvalue are linearly independent. Okay, eigenvectors. Okay, while by using the eigenvalue we are just deriving the eigenvectors. Okay, eigenvector corresponding to distinct eigenvalue are linearly independent, not dependent. Okay, so this thing I just already told you. So you can see even so you can see if x1 x2 and xn, so n is a column vector, so r equal to x1 x2 x3 and x4, these are the things. So if rank of it means r rank equal to n, then x1 are linearly independent, so determinant of r is not equal to 0. Okay, if determinant of r is equal to 0, it means square matrix, then each and everything is which will be that everything will be linearly dependent. Okay, so now you can see the first we found the eigenvectors, so we converted to column vectors and we form a matrix. If it has a square matrix, then check it is linearly dependent or linearly independent, mode of r equal to 0 or mode of r not equal to 0. If 3 into 3 matrix, check the rank of matrix r equal to n, so which is also linearly independent or dependent. Okay, so it's simple. After finding the eigenvector, just make it a square matrix and make the determinant equal to 0 or not equal to 0. If it's equal to 0 means it's linearly dependent. If not equal to 0, it is not dependent. If 3 into 3 comes means you can see the same thing. It means rank of A equal to n and rank of A equal to less than 1, whether it is linearly dependent or independent. Okay, so I think we got the point. So you can see next column vectors, they have just given column vectors x1 and x2. So make it in a matrix form and just calculate the determinant and it will come. Okay, so next eigenvectors corresponding to distant eigenvalue are symmetric or orthogonal. Okay, eigenvectors corresponding to distinct eigenvalues of symmetric matrix are orthogonal. Okay, so next thing you can see x and y is between eigenvectors is the matrix. Okay, value of x. So after calculating the eigenvalues, then we separate their eigenvectors and first check the matrix is symmetric and the rest is it is orthogonal x1 x2 and find the value of x. That's it. Okay, eigenvalues of Hermitian or symmetric matrix are real numbers definitely. For Hermitian and symmetric, okay, for Hermitian and symmetric matrix it is real number. But when you go for skew symmetric or other thing, it means skew Hermitian or skew symmetric, the matrix is eigenvalue for the matrix that for that one is purely imaginary or 0. Okay, I think so you're getting the point. Okay, this is an example. So you can see we are just getting the purely imaginary or 0. So next one, eigenvalue unitary or orthogonal matrix has absolute value equal to 1. So you can see if A equal to plus or minus I of B equal to root of this one. So when you find eigenvalue unitary or orthogonal value has absolute value 1. Okay, it means for eigenvalues for absolute matrix, it means for orthogonal matrix and unitary matrix, the absolute value will be 1. Okay, you can see lambda equal to this one. Okay, absolute value is this one 1. Okay, that's it. So you can see lambda comes plus or minus of 5, but when you take the absolute value it will come as 1. Okay, so next thing, if lambda is an eigen vector of A, then the eigenvalue, it means lambda is the eigen vector of A, then the eigenvalue k of A equal to k, it means k of lambda. Okay, if a plus of ki equal to lambda plus of k, a square is lambda square, okay, a power n is lambda power n, okay. So these are the extra things that has been given. The next one is if lambda is the eigenvalue of the invertible matrix A, then the eigenvalue of A inverse is 1 by lambda, okay, A inverse is 1 by lambda. And adjoint of A is how much? Adjoint of A equal to mod of A divided by plus determinant of A divided by lambda, okay, that's it. So you can see they have just given the eigenvalue, so find it means trace away, just add this one, okay. Determinant of A means just multiply this one, determinant of A, okay. So eigenvalue of 2 times of A is just multiply 2 into 1, and each and everything you just multiply and make it as eigenvalue, that's it. And 2 A plus of 2A means 1 plus of 2 times of 1, okay, minus 1 plus of 2 times of 1, okay, 2 plus of 2 times of 1, okay, each and everything. So eigenvalue of A square, eigenvalue of A square, you can see this make it square, okay. So 2i plus 3a plus of A square means you just multiply each and everything, A place of A value, put the 1 minus 1 2 and you can calculate. For this one you can see for eigenvalue of A minus of 2 times of A is 1 minus like that, so multiply and we will just get the answer, but put the inverse, okay, this is the inverse, okay. I think so, getting the point. So next thing you can see that 1 minus 1 0 are the eigenvalues of A 100 plus of I of this one. Just 1 second. So you can see they given the eigenvalues 1 minus 1 0 and A power 100 and plus of I equal to how much. So eigenvalue of A is, so just an eigenvalue of A is this much. So E of so make it as 100, okay, then plus 1, okay, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1, so 2 comma, so make it determinant means just multiply 2 into 2 into 1, okay, that's it, okay, simple. So next is Cauchy-Hamilton theorem. Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So you can see it means in this every square matrix has satisfied the characteristic equation. So E equal to 1 2 3 1. So make it as characteristic equation. While you are just making a characteristic equation, lambda square minus 2 times of lambda minus 5 equal to 0. So this is polynomial equation, and put lambda equal to A, and A square minus 2 times of A minus of A. So now we can just calculate each and everything. If they ask A cube means multiply A cube minus of 2 times A square minus of I times of A equal to 0. Okay, so generally A times of I is A only, okay, so do not get confused. So A cube equal to 2 times of A square plus of A, it means 5 times of A, okay, that's it. So A cube 2 times of what is A square is 2 times of A minus of 5 plus of 5, so multiply we will get the answer, okay, A cube. So for negative means put A cube A square minus of 2 times of A minus of 5 times of. So generally another thing is whenever you everything is vacant like this, your no number means 5 I use important, okay, 5 times of I like that you need to definitely put here. So A square minus of 1 minus of 2 times of A minus of 1 minus of 5, so A minus of 1 equal to 0. So this is A minus of 2 times of I minus of 5 of A inverse equal to 0. So make it, that's it, A minus of 2 times of I. So A inverse is A 1 by 5 minus of 2, that's it, okay. By this you can just calculate each and everything in a simpler format, okay. It means no need to elaborate so much in a detailed way. It means simpler thing you can just go and analyze, okay, that's it. Next thing you can see in a matrix here A B C D, and you can see A plus D, and this thing is being given, so we can just calculate A cube. What is the value of A cube? So determinant equal to 1 they are just giving. Okay, so determinant of a equal to 1, so a plus d also 1. Okay, what is the a cube? Okay, maybe they are using Cauchy-Hamilton. Determinant of okay, Cauchy-Hamilton means eigenvalue lambda 1 dot lambda 2 equal to 1. Okay, so next one, trace. So lambda 1 plus of lambda 2 equal to 1. Okay, so lambda 2 equal to 1 by lambda 1 plus 1 by lambda 1 equal to 1, lambda 1 square plus of 1 equal to lambda 1. So this is the characteristic equation. So a square minus of a plus of 1 instead of 1, right? Okay, now a cube, a square plus of minus of I means minus of I. Okay, I times away. So what is the thing? A square is a minus of I. Okay, a cube is a square minus of a of I. Okay, wait. Oh, a square is a. What is a square? A minus of I minus of a I. Okay, so what is a's value? A only minus I. Wow, a cube is minus I. So by using a simpler smaller subsystem we can just calculate everything. So here you can see here they are asking the a power 5. Oh, a power 550. So generally calculate the characteristic equation. So this is the characteristic equation. Lambda cube equal to lambda square plus lambda minus 1 minus of put lambda which is 1. Okay, 1 is of 1 put I. Okay, so lambda power, so a power 4, a cube minus of a square minus of I of a. Okay, what is I of a? So a cube is a square minus of a minus of a square minus of I of a. Okay, I of a is okay. So can see. So a square plus of a minus of a minus of a square minus of a gets in them a square okay. So a power 4 is a power square minus of. Okay, so while you just take a power 8, 4a square minus of 3 times of I. Okay, next is 4 equal to 4a square minus of 3 times of I, dot product of 2a square minus of I. So you just calculate and each and every, so a power 50 will come 25a square minus of 424a. Okay, that's it. So Cauchy-Hamilton theorem minimizes the problem. That's it. Proceeds are to the point. So you can see since a square we can just calculate easily. This one is a square you can calculate. So minus of 24 into, okay, each and everything you can easily do it. So these are the extra things, because I will already, it means I will also again tell you in the remaining other chapters. It means remaining extra one time I will just tell you about the mathematics. I will just tell you this kind of thing at that. So Laplace transform you can just see that one. So next one is probability. So probability is one of the most important subjects and interesting subjects in the entire mathematics. So without wasting time, let us get started. Probability, you can see probability, mostly basics and advanced will be asked. So what is probability? It is an experiment in which the outcome is not certain. Okay, sample space, it means all possible experiment in an analysis 1 2 3 4 1 2 6. Okay, next one is event. Event is any subset of sample space is called as event. If number of element in the sample space is n, so number of different subset equal to 2 pi n. Okay, it's also so much simple. Okay, you can see any subset of a sample space is n. Okay, definitely it means n tells the total representation of the entire sample set. Different subset means you can see different subset, number of different subset 2 pi n. Okay, so if you can see, suppose if they asked a question, probability of getting an odd number is, it is an event. Okay, probability of getting an odd number, it is an event. So in this odd number probability, you can see, so this is nothing but subset of the sample space. Okay, that's it. So 1 2 3 4, in this you can see outcome is fixed. Yes, definitely. So only one will come out, means it is, no, it is random experiment. Suppose guys, so much simple guys. See, I just told I need certain kind of number and I am just now squeezing the dice. So I am just telling I need a, it means what kind of experiment. This is a random experiment. Okay, suppose if I am just telling I need a 5, so that 5 is an event. Okay, I am just asking the question. Okay, that's it. So event is the probability of getting event. It means what is the probability of getting, that's called as event. It means the question we are just giving. Okay, that's it. So you can see this one, probability of event A equal to favorable number of outcomes of event A divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, so you can see another thing is, you can see this one, so probability will be less than equal to 1. Okay, that's it. So probability of sample space equal to 1, this is the most important. Probability of sample space equal to 1. So next one, if U is given, it is union, so it is generally goes for plus. If like this is given, it is intersection, so it goes for AND. Okay, dot product. So if U is given upper side, means it means upper parabola, so it is plus. Okay, if U is given by, it means in the intersection downwards, it is given as AND. If A and B are the disjoint, it means if A and B are disjoint, so P of A union B equal to P probability of A plus a probability of B. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus a probability of B. Okay, you can see this on, oh, this is a normal thing. Okay, it means disjoint event. Okay, so next one is Venn diagram. So if they ask about Venn diagram, A union B is probability of A plus of probability of B minus probability of A intersection of B, okay, or n of A n of B minus n of A union B, okay, n of A intersection B, okay. If disjoint means both are separate, so A union B is disjoint, n of A plus of n of B, that's it. This is only for disjoint event, okay. Next one is probability of impossible event. Impossible event is generally 0, okay. Always probability of impossible event is generally equal to 0. So probability of it means occurring is 1 minus of probability of not occurring, or probability of not occurring is 1 minus of probability of occurring, okay, that's it. So now we can just see the problem. So what they have to, two containers with one containers 4 red, and it means two containers 4 red 3 green, other container 3 blue 4 green. So from each we are just taking one ball, so the probability of and, okay, one red one ball is so you can see here how much ball, 7 ball, here how much ball, 7 ball. So 4 divided by 7c1 into of 1 is blue, okay, 3c1 divided by 7c1, okay. So 4 by 7 into 3 by 7, okay, this is the thing. So 12 divided by 49. So you can see it means favorable event. This is a favorable event divided by total number of subsets. So total times 7 times, you can just equal to 7 times. So total is 77, okay. It means how I am saying is, you can see 4 red 3 green, you can see R1 R2 R3 R4, okay, G1 G2 G3, okay. So here also 3 blue, it means let us say like this, 3b1 3b2 3 3, okay, this is b3, okay, 3 blue balls, you can see R1 b1, okay, R1 b2 R1 b3 and R1 g1 R1 g2 R1 g3, okay. You can see how much we are just getting, R1 g4, so 7 sets. So 1 into 7, and this one 7, this one 7, so how much, 7 7 28 you are getting. This one 7, how much, 35, this one 7 35 42, this one 7 49, so 49 total outcomes. So in that what we needed, only one red ball, okay, in this one red ball, and this one is only one blue ball, that's it. So that's why it's given us 49. I hope so you understood. So let's see this one. So next question you can see. So total population n population, okay, we don't know how much, 50% 3 children, okay, it means in this 5, okay, 50% means okay, 30% 2 children, remaining 20% have 1 children, okay, it means so 2 into 30 divided by 100 into 3 divided by 100 plus of plus or into will come, let us suppose plus 30 into 2 divided by 100, 1 into 20 divided by 100, so 2 into 30 divided by 100, so definitely 100 will come, 150 plus of 60 plus of 20, 100 will be cancelled, 60 divided by 170 230, 6p26 is the answer. Okay, so things are getting, so this is the total probability. Okay, this is a asked properly, this favorable outcome, this way total outcomes. So you can see it means 50% of family has this one, 3 children, just multiply, that's it. So total number of children is this much. Okay, 23 divided by 10. Okay, let's still again you can see in a population of 10 families, 50% families has children. It means 50% families has 3 children. Okay, and 30% families has 2 children. Okay, so then if for example if 100, so 100 into 50 divided by 100, so you can see 50 families has 3 children. Okay, so like that. Okay, if you get of n x y is given, just put the value and you just find the answer, that's it. Okay, so you're getting the point. So next thing you can see, third question, 7 car accidents occurred in a week. In 1 week 7 car accidents has been occurred. Okay, random, so possible case 1 day 1 accident, or 7 accidents in 1 day. Okay, these are both are the two probabilities. Or we don't know, 3 accidents 1 day and 4 accidents second day, and remaining no accidents. So you can see how much it means probable cases we literally don't know. Okay, so total number of outcomes we don't know, what is a favorable outcome. So you can see the what is the probability that they are occurred on same day. It means for 1 day itself, so for 1 day what is the probability that it may occur on the same day all accident. So definitely for 1 day it means 7:1 it is Monday. Okay, or 7:1 Thursday. So or 7, so 49 will come out. So let us suppose, so R means flow addition, so 49 will come. So divided by total number of outcome, how we can just calculate the total number of outcome. So definitely under I think so 7 to 7 to 7, so it will come 7 power 7, so 1 by 7 power 6. Okay, this is the answer. So I'll just explain in this method. You can see 7 cars, so total number of outcomes, it means all cars have an accident in the first day. So you can see car A1 can be accident in 7 days. Okay, so what is the probability? So you can see total number of outcomes, car A occurred accident in the same day, and car B and okay, I'll just tell you again. So if A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, so these are 7 cars. So it means what is the total number of outcome for say A1? So it may get accident in Monday or Tuesday or Thursday. It means it may occur in Monday, means first accident, or so since it means A1 had an accident in Monday. If it did not happen, or so Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, or so 7 type of things might occur. So for A total 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, so this is total number of accidents. So just multiply 7 to 7 to 7, so 7 per 7, so total outcomes. Okay, now favorable outcome. Okay, so A1 may had an accident in means first day, or A2 made an accident in first day. So you can see each and everything. So 7 per 7 is coming. Okay, this is only the probability occurred in Monday. Favorable outcome on Monday. Okay, it means on Monday we are just saying A1 had an accident on Monday, and it means and into 1, and into 1, and into 1. So 1 per 7%. Okay, so it means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, each and everything we just add. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus everything will be just add means what will come 7. So 7 7. So 1 by 7 per 6. Okay, I think so I got the point. So this is a beautiful question. So you can just go for the next question. So this thing is so simple. So to dice the probability, the sum of numbers and not exceed 8. Okay, so you can see this one 1 1 1 2 3, each and everything is given. So it has given it should not exceed 8. Okay, it means you should not go more than 8. So more than 8, exceed 8, sorry, exceed 8. Okay, so which are the things you can see? This is a normal thing, right? You just need to remember 2 3 4. Okay, so 2 will definitely come one time. So 3 2 4 3 times, 5 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and after 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so 8 comes 5 times. Okay, 5 will be 36. Okay, so you can see 9 10 11 12 is coming. So 9 4 times, I think guys, I think so you got the point. So literally it means I made a little mistake here. So it means 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So how much time it comes? Only one time. So you can see 6. So it means 2 plus it means 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, like that it comes around 5 times. So 5 plus 7, how much is 6 times? 8 plus 5 times, 9 plus 4 times. Guys, are we doing the mistake again? Oh, exceed 8, not 5. Okay, exceed 8 means you can see 9 10 11 12, this one only. 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12, so 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so 10 divided by 36. I think so you're getting the points. Just one sec. Okay. Okay, sum is 4 or 5. Okay, sum is 4 and 5. You can see 3 plus 7, so 7 by 36. Sum is a prime number, so 2 3 5 7 11. 2 3 5 7 11. Okay, 2 3 5 7 11. Okay, just add that one. And outcome of first is greater than so this side will be a bit higher. So this side, okay, so this entire side you need to just take, so it's 15. Okay, Next is this counting technique. This is also a quite interesting thing. You have to just see. So in this combination, permutation, so you can see combination is just selection. Okay, selection of books. Okay, so in permutation it is arranging them in order. Okay, selection and arranging is different. Okay, selection means we are just it means for example, in a class there are 40 students, so we are just selecting for dance competition. While we are selecting, we will just select only 20 members. So after selecting this 20 members, we will arrange them. So who should stand at the front row, who should stand at the middle, at back, and where the before back, and who are the members should stand at the front, top front. So this is arrangement. Okay, selection is 20, arranging them is permutation. Okay, so you can see it means number of permutation of n objects. So it means 20 given 20, it means 20 different ways you can arrange them. Okay, it means 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4, like this different combinations you can arrange them. Okay, so selection is different, arranging them is different. Okay, number of permutation of n object is factorial time n. Okay, so suppose if number of circular permutation of n object is n minus of 1. Okay, factorial n minus of 1. Okay, so in this circular we fix 1. Okay, so we make the stand, it means 8 is there, 1 to 8 is there, means we will make the 1 here stand, and 2 3 4 like that, or 2 3 4 like this, or 2 3 4 something like this. So we generally make 1 as fixed, it means any one person and we just go. Okay, so next one is R permutation of n objects. So what is R permutation? So n of PR equal to factorial divided by n minus of R. Okay, okay, so what is R? R is different, it means arranging them in a proper, it means according to our own arrangement we are just arranging it. As I just told about sequence, who will need to stand at the front or back and middle like that. So the correct combination is that is one. Okay, factorial and divided by more factorial minus of R. This is the right approach. Okay, for the combination of R, combination factorial will be R factorial n minus of R. Okay, so n of PR into n of CR equal to which one will come? 1 by factorial of R. Okay, no, so make it division. N of PR equal to n of CR into factorial of R. Okay, this is the thing. N of PR equal to n of CR into factorial of R. Okay, so now we can just see the problems. So you can see 10 people are arranged in a line. Okay, 10 people are arranged in a line. 10 people, it means 1 2 3 4 10. It means certain pairs are always together. Okay, 1 2 2 means 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, these are the pairs. So it may be 1 2 or 1 3. Okay, or 2 3 or 3 2. Okay, and certain pairs are never together. Okay, it means so 1 2 or 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8. So how much 10 pair is possible? Okay, or plus 10, 10 times plus 10. So how much will come? 100 will come. 100 divided by, so 10 into 10, wait. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So A1, A2, A1, A3. Okay, A1, A4, A1, A5, A1, A6, A1, A7, A1, A8, A1, A9. Okay, A2, A8, A9, A10. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 30, 10 is there. Okay, then A1, A10. Okay, how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 ways available. Okay, 9 way. Or means okay, 9 9 plus 9 9. So how much will come? 81 is the possible answer. Okay, suppose 9 into 8 goes on. Okay, divided by fair total number of outcomes. Okay, this one. Divided by 9 power 9. 81 power, so 9 into 9 divided by 9 power 9. So 1 divided by 9 power 7. So let us check the answer. So DS sama में so this one is factorial. 10 into So in my point of view, let us go to the arrangement combination. So one, so maybe in my point of view, I think so. Certain pair means maybe only one pair has been kept, and remaining is in a normal way. Maybe it may be like this also. So you can see it means 1 2. So 1 2 are arranged in a pair, and 2 1 1. Okay. So 3 4. Remaining thing it will be 8. So this is 1 1 9. Okay, 9. So favorable outcome is n. Okay, is n for 9 vector into, as you can see, 1 2 and 2 1. So 2. So the total number of outcome is 1 2 3 4. So total number of 1 mode of 10. Okay. So mode of 9 into mode of 2 into 10 into mode of 9. So 2 divided by 10. So 1 by 5 is the answer. Okay. So this is always together. So always not together means 1 minus of mode of 5 into mode of 2 divided by mode of 10. Okay. This is it. So okay, I think so you're getting the point. So okay, if in the question the arrangement, so if they asked about selection, means selection is just normal. Okay, it means what is the permutation of permutation is mode of n divided by this one is n of combination. Okay. This is just arranged in a circle. Okay, if circle means it means total factors will just everything just minus 1 equal to n minus 1. So into mode of 9. Okay, so favorable outcome mode of 8. So it means before it was mode of 9, now it was mode of 8. It means n minus 1 8 factorial. So 8 factorial into 9 factorial. Okay, this is the answer. And not together you can definitely do it. Okay. Okay, I think so you can answer. So next we can just see last question, and this is the last question. Friends, you can see 5 monkeys and 5 donkeys arranged together. So probably all monkeys are together. Okay, okay. So all monkeys are together. So monkeys and donkeys D1 D2 D3 D4 D4. So arranged, let us consider it arranged in a line. Okay. So definitely it is 1, and you can see total is 6 factorial, and you can see this itself we can arrange in different values. So for example D1 D2 D1 D3 D1 D4 D1 D5. Okay, and definitely it will come 4 factorial, and D1 D2 and D2. Okay, 6 factorial. Okay, and into 5 factorial. Maybe like this. Okay, see D, wait, okay, D1 and D1 D2 of 1. Okay, D1 D2 of this monkey pair 1, monkey pair 2. Okay, D1 D3 of monkey pair 3. Oh, okay, okay, we are just placing them in a line. Okay, now because why I just made a 4 factorial means I am just placed in a circle. While we are placed in a circle, we will definitely fix 1. Okay, that's why. So divided by how much? 5 into 5, 10 factorial. Okay, so for example, if I just placed in a circle means I'll just make one constant. Okay, it means monkey itself only will be 5 factorial into 4 factorial divided by mode of 9 factorial. If I just place arrange in a circle, so next thing you can see no two monkeys are together. It is circle orbit. No monkeys are together. No two monkeys are together. So monkey 1, monkey 2, monkey 3, 4, monkey 5. So D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Okay. Now you can see no monkeys are together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there are 6 possible ways. So 6C5 into, you can arrange in a 5 format. Okay. This is answer. Okay, I think you're getting the point. So guys, then we'll see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.